Imagine a food that not only satisfies your hunger, but also boosts your brain power. Our brains, the command center of our bodies, play a crucial role in every aspect of our lives. What if we could enhance its performance just by what we eat? But what could this mystery food be? This vegetarian food is not only common, but also packed with nutrients that your brain craves. Imagine a food so rich in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that it can actually enhance your cognitive function. These nutrients are essential for maintaining and improving brain health, playing a vital role in memory, focus, and overall cognitive function. Intriguing, isn't it? But wait, we're not revealing this brain-boosting food just yet. Stay tuned for the big reveal. For now, let's explore how this food can make you smarter. With each bite, this food unleashes a wave of cognitive enhancements. Imagine sharpening your memory, honing your focus, and boosting your overall brain function, all by adding this simple ingredient to your diet. Scientific studies back these claims, showing a direct link between the nutrients in this food and improved cognitive performance. It's not just a dietary choice, it's a smart choice. But where can you find this wonder food? You might be surprised to learn that this brain food is likely already in your kitchen. It's as common as it is versatile, popping up in everything from salads to stir-fries. The beauty of this food is it can be incorporated into your diet in so many delicious ways. Whether it's a handful tossed into your morning smoothie or a sprinkle over your dinner, the opportunities are endless. But remember, moderation is key. Now, are you ready to unlock your brain's full potential? This isn't just theory. Real people have experienced cognitive improvements after incorporating this food into their diet. This vegetarian brain food is a game changer, a true testament to the power of nutrition. With this food in your diet, you're not just eating smarter, you're becoming smarter. Thank you for joining us on this culinary journey to cognitive enhancement.